Death of Cardinal Bernard Law bringing back a painful past.
It would open a lot of old wounds.
Survivors of clergy sex abuse reacting to his passing with questions.
Has he figured out how is he going to explain this when he comes face to face with his maker?
And anger.
I just hope that man suffered every day of his life knowing what he did.
At the Cardinal's silence and inaction.
And tomorrow, Pope Francis will give the final blessing at Bernard Cardinal Law's funeral at the Vatican. As Louisa Moller shows us tonight, Law's death is stirring up a lot of painful memories for survivors of the church abuse crisis.
He's as divisive in death as he was in life. Cardinal Bernard Law's passing reopens old wounds for abuse survivors and reignites a tough conversation for the current Archbishop of Boston.
I didn't exist. The church existed. And that's wrong. That's just wrong.
Old wounds ripped open with the death of Cardinal Bernard Law. The 86-year-old died Tuesday in Rome, his passing a pressure point for dozens of abuse victims who spoke out Wednesday, like Robert Costello.
There's not a single day that goes by that I don't remember what happened to me. I don't realize the effects that it's had on my life.
The former Archbishop of Boston presided during the clergy sex abuse scandal. Survivors say he enabled pedophile priests by moving them from parish to parish before he resigned in 2002. Survivor Phil Saviano wonders if Law felt remorse in his final days.
Has he been reviewing his life and thinking about the decisions that he's made and how he's going to explain what he's done and what he's failed to do when he comes face to face with his maker?
But Law will receive a full cardinal's funeral at the Vatican. His successor, Cardinal Sean O'Malley, acknowledged the victims and called Law's passing painful.
This is a very difficult day for survivors and for all of us in the Archdiocese of Boston.
Asked whether he can forgive him, he said this.
Forgiveness is what Christianity is about, and that doesn't make it easy.
Cardinal Law's funeral will be held tomorrow in St. Peter's Basilica. Outside the Cathedral of the Holy Cross, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.